side of the house. See, the wind has shifted directions. Now it's coming from kind of like the north right now. Because as you see, those palm trees are like blowing towards that way. Yeah, I'm not turning the other way because the glare on the camera is really bad. Yeah. And I'll just have to stay low on this one. Yeah. Yeah, that's the tall tree right there. Yeah, this is... Yeah, the glare is pretty bad for me, and the glare is pretty bad for me. Could barely see it without putting my hand over the screen that I'm recording on. And that's my tree right there. See, as you see, it's really windy. And this is about a half hour later from, and the winds have not let up. Yeah. Yeah, there's some clouds starting to come in. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this is Chrisley JK Productions. Thank you for watching this, another one of my videos. Okay, have a good day or a good night.